welcome to my geography class. Today we are going to do second part of physiography of Asia, that is Central Highlands. These Central Highlands lie towards the south of the northern lowlands. South of the northern lowlands lie high mountain ranges and plateaus. In these high mountain ranges there is a vast young fold mountain system called the Central Mountains. These young fold mountains originate from two mountain knots, Pamir Knot and the Armenian Knot. These two knots are very important knot. All the mountain ranges are developed from these two knots. The Himalayas are the southernmost range that develop from the Pamir Knot. The highest point of Himalaya is Mount Everest. As you know, Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world, which is also the highest peak in the world. Other ranges that originate from the Pamir Knot and are lying north of the Himalaya include the Kunlun, Altai Tar and Tian Shan. The Tibetan Plateau lies between the Himalayas, Kunlun and the Altai Tar. It is therefore known as Intermontane Plateau. Intermontane Plateau is that plateau which is surrounded by the mountains. Now, Tibetan Plateau called Intermontane Plateau. Why? Because it is surrounded by three mountains: Himalaya, the Kunlun and Altai Tar and Tian Shan. Okay, so due to we call Tibetan Plateau as a Intermontane Plateau. Since it is highest plateau in the world, it is also referred as the roof of the world. The Himalayas spread across Myanmar as the Arakan and the Pegu range. Towards the northern side of the Himalayas, the Karakoram ranges develop from Pamir Knot. Its highest peak, Mount Godwin Austen, lies here, which is also the second highest peak in the world. Two high mountain peak. One is Mount Everest and second is Mount Godwin Austen. These two, one is most highest and the second one is the second highest peak in the world, belong to Asia. Now, next one is, there are two more mountain ranges lie to the west of the Pamir Knot, that is Hindu Kush and the Suleiman. The Hindu Kush range extends westward and continues along the Caspian Sea as the Elbrus Mountains. On the other hand, the Suleiman range runs first at the Kirtar range and then the Zagros Mountains. The Elbrus and the Zagros converge at the Armenian Knot. Elbrus and the Zagros Mountains are the ranges of the Armenian Knot. From here, they diverge westward at the Ponting Mountains and Taurus Mountains, respectively. In between these two mountains lies the plateau of Anatolia. Now I want to show these knots and mountains on the map. Come on the physical map of the Asia. See all these brown parts from here. This is northern lowlands. Down here south is Central Highlands. Okay. So first come two knots. First is, this is Pamir Knot. This is Pamir Knot. Okay. And on the west side is Armenian. These two important knots from where other mountain ranges are developed. From, you can see here's Pamir Knot. From Pamir Knot, Himalaya ranges develop. Himalayas are the young fold mountains and it will go up to Myanmar. Okay. Look here. This is Pegu range and Arakan range. It's all Himalaya ranges. Okay. So from here, Himalaya is in south. From up here, Karakoram ranges. From Karakoram ranges, and here you can see Tibetan Plateau. Tibetan Plateau, where it is situated. Look here, this is Himalaya, this is Kunlun Shan and Altai Tar. So due to this called, Tibetan Plateau is surrounded by mountains. So due to it's called Intermontane Plateau. So again, come on the Pamir Knot. From Pamir Knot, two mountain ranges. One is Hindu Kush range and then the Suleiman. After then, Hindu Kush range further extend up to west. From here, you can see up to Elbrus Mountains. Here Caspian Sea, it's extend up to here. Okay, and then Suleiman Mountain First it will come to here down Kirtar ranges, and from Kirtar ranges up to Zagros. And now come on the Armenian. This is Armenian knot. From Armenian on, one is Pontic mountains and Taurus mountains, and between Anatolia plateau. You can see Pontic mountains and Taurus, and this is between Anatolia plateau. Here we have plateau of Mongolia, Mongolian plateau. Okay, so all these brown parts, even then upwards also, it is all these central highlands. So it is all about central highlands. Thank you.